Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the screws, screwdrivers and bits of PH2 and PZ. For which screw, which bit or which screwdriver should be used, we are going to talk about that today. PH2 is called Phillips head. The screw you are seeing in my hand is actually PH2. And the second screw you are seeing is called
PZ2.
There is a simple difference between the two. You can see that PH2 has a mark of plus, which is also called a plus screw. But when we talk about
PZ2.
there are 4 extra notches in addition to the plus. So anyone can identify which screw is PH2 and PHZ. Now we have seen the screw. Now we have to find out which screwdriver should be used in PH2 and which one in PHZ. As we have just talked about the screw, according to that only your screwdrivers come. The screwdriver you are seeing is specially made for PH2. And the other screwdriver you are seeing is for
PZ2.
So what we have to do is, you have to use the screwdriver of PH2 with the screw of PH2. In this, the grip remains. If you use the screw of PH2, you will not get the grip. But with the screw of PH2, you will get a good grip. And if we have the screw of PH2, then you should use the screw of PH2 for that. If I use in this, then there is no play of 0.1 millimeters. As it is, the screw also rotates with it. But if I use the screw of PH2 in the PZ2, then there is play in it. You can see that my screw is not moving. But the screwdriver is able to move. So many times what we do is, if we use the screw of PH2 with the screwdriver of PH2, then it gets damaged. This part is damaged due to the use of the wrong screwdriver. And this is the fresh part. So you can easily see the difference between the two. The head is damaged due to the use of the wrong screwdriver. If we tighten it once and fix it using the wrong screwdriver, then we can't open it again. So you should always keep in mind which screw you have and what type of screwdriver should be used for that. If you have the screw of PH2, then you should use the drill bit or screwdriver of PH2. These two drill bits are written on them. You can ask in the market. It is clear. And on the other, this is of another brand. This is of Comron and this is of Pro PH2. So you can demand in the market whether you want PH2 or
PZ2.